Hello, I'm Atul Rabi Purno.
And I am Ridwan Arfinestam from the OMR blockchain-based secured Technoxian project.
So what we have created here is an uh, MCQ script checker. So this is our demo sheet. Normally MCQ OMR script machines do exist, but they're really expensive and they require a specific type of paper. But what we've used here is a normal A4 sheet. This is much more affordable and much more easily available. So a normal OMR can cost up to 4 lakhs, and our entire project cost under 4,000 rupees. So inside, normally OMR scanners use red and green sensors. They're really expensive. But what we have used are IR sensors. These type of IR sensors are actually used for line following robots, and they're very cheap. So our IR sensor reads put it in. Our IR sensor reads the OMR sheet using our microprocessor and sends it to the Wi-Fi module. The Wi-Fi module then connects to the school server. In the school server, your role name section and everything else is already available, so it can match according to that. All the teacher has to do is arrange the MCQ sheets of as many students as you have according to their roll numbers. After that, the rest can be handled by the school server. So we have used blockchain so that once the answers are published in the school server, it cannot be changed. I mean, it can be changed, but the changes will always be trackable. That's the main point of the blockchain. So, and there is a page roller, so you can just arrange all the script according to the roll number, set the solution in your laptop, and just go for a walk. By the time you're back, it will be done.